Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit notifications in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our DMs and our teammates. From here we have to tap on the person icon in the top right corner, and then at the bottom we find notifications. And here we have different kinds of options to edit the notifications by. So for example, in the system options we can set whether we want to have alerts or just silent notifications. We can set a default reminder time as well. We can set if we want to be notified about replies to threads. So here we have a lot of options, and here we can customize the experience on Slack. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.